I'm making this video about solar powered LED lights for the outside of the home. So if you're looking to add lights to your backyard or to the side of your home or anywhere else where there is no option to run a power cable to power the light, in that case, a solar powered light could be a very good option. I have two solar panel lights installed, one over here and the other over here. I've had both of these for about 18 months now. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my findings of using these lights and which one I found to be the best. When I was searching for a solar powered light, the biggest question was how many lumens. So the first light I got here, this is the 1500 lumen light. And the other one, which on the left hand side, this is a 2000 lumen light. Both the lights come fully assembled in the box. There are two pieces. One is the light unit with its mounting bracket here, and the other is the solar panel with its mounting bracket. Both of these lights are triple head lights. Basically, that means it has three panels. So middle one and then two side panels. And the two side ones are flexible in a case, which means I can make it all flat in one line or have them at an angle so they also give light to the side. There's a motion sensor in the middle right here. And the options on this slide is how long I want the light to be on once the motion is detected. Each of the light comes with its own solar panel, which is this one has installed over here. And let's look at the other one. Same concept on this slide as well. Triple head, center light is stationary, two side panels move. This is the 1500 lumen light. And this one, I have the motion sensing part pointed towards the front of the driveway. The blink camera you see on the left hand side, that's an add-on. It did not come with the light. That's something I added myself. All right, let's look at how these lights do at nighttime. That's the true test. So at nighttime, if I walk towards the light, let's see which one comes on first. So this is the 1500 lumen light. This is one I bought from Amazon for about 40 bucks. That was 2 years ago. I don't think it's enough power. It does not have enough power to illuminate the side of the house completely. So I don't like it too much because of that. The one on the left hand side, let me just walk towards the house, see if that comes on. Now this is way more powerful, as you can see. So with both lights on, you can see a huge difference that makes. The one on the left is even cheaper. It's $20 on a deal. That's the Westinghouse 2000 lumen light. I like this one way better than the other one. Its motion sensor is not as effective. Takes a little bit more time than the other light, but you know, it has more power. I have no problems with its motion sensor, but I do love the fact that it has better illumination. Like the moment it came on, the whole front driveway was illuminated. And I want to emphasize that this is January, where it did not charge. The sunlight was not enough. It was raining half day and sunlight was not enough to charge it. But the light is still functioning. I've had it for more than a year and a half now. And once it comes on, it stays on for about a couple minutes. And the one on the right hand side stays on for about 3 minutes. It's not that high powerful light, as you can see. Overall, I really like the Westinghouse 2000 lumen solar light, especially paired with the blink camera. It does an amazing job. I've used this particular light for about a year and a half now. One summer, almost 2 winters, and really pleased with the results. I mean, they work during the summer and winter, both times. Right now I'm in January, and this light still charges up during the day, even though I get only a few hours of light. Like today, it rained half day, but you can see the light is still on and still functioning. really pleased with this light.